Hello everyone and welcome to today's video. Now in this video I'm just going to be giving a general overview of the Shodan search engine. And what this is, if you're not familiar, is it's a search engine for internet connected devices. And what this does, it allows you to find specific types of devices that are connected to the internet. So the most popular being routers, webcams, servers, etc. The basic data that Shodan actually gathers is the banner information for each device, and this is textual information which describes a service on that particular device. So for example, what web server is running, the version number, etc., HTTP status codes, that kind of thing. So this is the website, what we've got here. You head over to www.shodan.io. This will take you to the HTTPS site here, and it's you can browse without creating an account, but I do recommend creating a free account before you use this website. Without an account you won't be able to use any filters, and you'll only be able to see the first page of results. So create an account, put their details in there, and then once you're registered, come back. I'll just follow along and do it later, I don't mind. Okay, so searching, before I do a search here, just remember that the search query that we're looking for here is only going to look at the main banner text. It's not going to search the metadata. So if you're searching for Google, then the results will only include where the banner text contains Google, rather than the results for Google's servers themselves. There are various search criteria that we can use when we're searching here. The most popular ones being country, which allows you to filter by 2-letter country code; city, where you can filter by city; ports, where you can search for port numbers; and OS for specific operating systems. The one I'm going to use in an example here, I'm just going to use Apache. So just type Apache into the search box here, press enter. Now this will return all results where Apache servers are running. So you can see here it's highlighted in red on the page, Apache. And if we have a look at the top here, scroll back up, we can see it's returned over 11 million results. It tells us the most popular country is the United States. So if we want to narrow this down a bit further, we can search for the latest version of Apache. So if we type in Apache space 2.4.29, which I believe is the latest version at this time, so straight away them 11 million results have been narrowed down to 109,000. And we can go further on that. If we want to search for all Apache 2.4.29 servers in US, we add the filter country, colon, and then US in quotation marks, and that gives us 65,000 results. As you can see here, United States is what we're looking at the minute. And if we want to filter that down to a specific state or city, we can put in city, colon, say Chicago, I'll put in there for now, and search for that and see how many we get here. Okay, so just over 700 results returned here. So as you can see, it's quite useful to filter your results down. We started off with, what was it, 11 million, we're down to around 715. We can filter more on this. If you want to filter by organisation, you can do so by using the, let me think what this one is. I think it's organisation. Let's give it a go. Let's try Hostway Corporation. Search for that. Okay, no results, so it must just be org. Just change that search to org. Search for that. And there we go. So this is all results for Hostway Corporation, just 22 of them in Chicago in the United States, running Apache 2.4.29. One of the other things we can use Shodan for is we can also find hacked websites. So to do that, we type in http:// quotation mark, then hacked by, close quotations, search for that. And this will give you a list of websites containing hacked by in the banner header. So chances are if you were to click through to one of these, you would see the web page being defaced by the group who has hacked it. 681 results there. And again, in the metadata here, HTTP status code 200 OK, which means the request has succeeded. You can look these up on the internet. Just type in HTTP status codes into Google and it'll give you the details on them. Okay, so back to the home page here. If we click explore, this will give you the most popular searches by other users. So we've got top voted and recently shared. If you click on say webcam here, this, as you can see here, is already a predefined search, which will 73 here. I'm not going to click into any of these, but again, you can see the headers here, status codes, and these are going to be webcams or web servers. Some of these you might get a login page when you click through to, but obviously don't do that unless you own the device itself. Let's have another look here what we've got. This is another search for webcams. I'll just show you this. If you just type this into the search bar as I'm doing here, and then again I've got 54 results here. These are also webcams. I think it's Axis webcams, although I can't remember too much on that. But yeah, that's another way to find webcams with index page search there. One other thing we can do is search for router interfaces. So if you type in TP-link or TP-link, as you can see here, the search results, this will return all devices with TP-link in the banner header. You can see plenty of wireless routers here. And again, if we want to be more specific, we can filter that down to specific countries. I'm just going to put country GB for Great Britain. And 843 results for TP-Link devices in the UK. And again, all the status codes are there. Let's just go back to explore here. Just have a quick look through the recently shared searches here. If we click on that, you can see some searches here for different tags, webcams, cameras, routers. So these are today's most popular, or recently shared, should I say. Yeah, there's all sorts on here that people have shared with the Shodan community. Click on more popular searches here, and again you've got webcam XP, webcams, cams, netcam, all sorts on there. So just explore the website. There's plenty to be found on there. Stay legal, and thank you very much for watching this video.